Hello guys, how make free conference call by Android. Conference call are the staple of any team, remote or on site. They are quick and convenient for everyone involved, especially when there is not any screen sharing involved and you do not have the time to set up an elaborate video meeting. There are tons of ways to set up conference calling, including using dial-ins from a landline. You probably already know about the dozen of conference call service out there. Already use the bullet conference calling feature in your Uber versatile mobile device, but that method was its limitations. Will go into that later. There is better way, and that the Ring Central app. A better way to make conference calls on Android. Before we get into the steps to make a conference call on an Android device, you can use your Android's built-in feature. But there's an even better solution if you are running business. It's a mobile app, or more especially the Ring Central app. The Ring Central app is built for making it easier at work, and the conference calling tools comes packed with Teams collaborations features that are designed to make your conference calls and phone calls more productive. All need is a Ring Central Office subscription, which starts a $19.99 per month. Once you have that, you are good to go. No need for team members to dial in. Just download the desktop and mobile app to make a phone call, send a message, host an online meeting, or set up video conference in real time. Plus, you can make free conference calls. You do not have to pay your mobile service providers charges for local or international calls, since your Ring Central Office subscription covers all your conference calling charges. Being able to make a free conference call is biggie if you have remote teammate or client in other countries.